Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Bank of Jamaica today intervened in the foreign exchange market for the third time since the start of the year. Now, the BOJ offered $30 million to authorize the dealers and cambios. That increased its total injection this month to $65 million. The central bank is restricting resale to end users. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $144.81. The Canadian dollar is selling for $118.44. The pound sterling sells for $198.34, while the euro is going for $179.32. And the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is reporting that consumer prices moved at a rate of 1.3% in December. Now that means the inflation rate was 6.4% for the 2020 calendar year. Statin says the inflation rate for December was mainly due to higher food, electricity, and transportation prices. Now, manufacturers and exporters are gearing up to increase spending this year. The announcement was made by President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, Richard Pandowi. He says his members are optimistic the economy will begin to rebound by September. According to the JMEA president, more than 40% of his members believe the economy will start to show recovery by the end of the third quarter this year. As a result, more than 33% have indicated they will increase spending to boost production. He noted that the optimism is spurred by vaccine development, the easing of restrictions, and signs of recovery in the tourism sector. The JMEA members believe these developments will help to reduce the level of contraction in the economy. Mr. Pandowi admitted that while the manufacturing and export industries were significantly impacted by the onset of COVID-19, the sectors have not had the level of fallout that was initially anticipated. To that end, more than 90% of the workforce employed to the sectors were able to retain their jobs. Notwithstanding, the impact of the pandemic resulted in approximately 55% of manufacturers and exporters experiencing cash flow issues. At the same time, extensive shortages of foreign exchange and high volatility also affected their ability to finance debt or purchase enough raw materials. To the stock market now, the JC index gained 665 points today, and the junior market index is up 22 points. Among the winners were Epley, Mailpac, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Stationery and Office Supplies, and JMMB Group 7.25%. On the losing side were Palace Amusement, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cream, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.